YouTube, we're finally back with another video. Please excuse my hiatus. I just moved into this spot. I don't have a desk set up yet. That's why I'm sitting on the floor right now in my living room. But in today's shoot, kind of got a little bit out of the comfort zone a little bit. We got a little more creative. We went ahead and did a 1970s style shoot. Scrolling through Instagram one day, and I seen Vicky, as you guys seen in my first video. Vicky, she was on her story with a nice little afro wig. I don't know what she was doing, but I thought it looked dope. I thought we should do a 70s shoot, and that's exactly what we did. We ran into a few technical difficulties with recording this. My mic ended up dying.
With your phone? I was gonna ask you, was you recording the audio too?
I was, and I guess I looked at the picture and it stopped.
Wait, just now?
No, like I got 16 seconds of audio. 16
seconds? I know you lying.
You got the voiceover.
Yeah, it's voiceover gang now.
So now, at this point, fuck. I'm still taking pictures right here. Here go another one.
My GoPro ended up dying. Nothing went right, so I'm gonna show you guys the BTS footage that we got of it, and then at the end, I'll come through and I'll show you guys how I edited a few of these photos. So enjoy that. Alright, so I'll never claim to be some type of YouTube professional or a photography professional or nothing like that. Really, when I edit these photos, I just kind of edit to how I feel and how I like, what I like to see, essentially. As you guys can see, I mess with this contrast a lot. I mess with the curves. I can't tell you what none of this shit means. I just kind of just go in there and I just mess with it. So I know like this bottom one affects a little bit of the face. So I messed with that a little bit. I mess with all these little colors or whatever. I know somebody probably looking at me like I'm fucking ass right now. The color grading tab was kind of like my most important sections, because that was I would like get a lot of the like little orange notes in the midtones and a little bit of the green, because I wanted to make it look like kind of as retro as possible. So that's why I went ahead and did that. You guys can see if I mute it, kind of takes a lot of that color out, as well as up here with the point curves. If I take that out, it takes a whole lot of that color out. So that's why I kind of just mess with that type of stuff. And then, I kind of just like did the same kind of thing for all of these photos. That was just a crop of the first picture. But another thing that I did that, like on this photo, what I did is I took it into Photoshop. Edited Photoshop. Let's see if it pulls up. Alright, so took it in Photoshop. What I did is I duplicate that layer and then come up here to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then as you see it's all jacked up. So do like that, and then kind of move that down to about 40, and that kind of gave it that little like out of focus, not so perfect look that I would expect for something kind of like 70s-esque. Cause like this photo reminded me like a advertisement for a guitar, obviously. So I can imagine it kind of looking a little glossy on like magazine style paper or whatever. So that's what I did. That was it. Nothing too special. If you guys like this kind of style of video, let me know. If you prefer the POV video, let me know. And if I just suck as an awkward ass, shy ass YouTuber, let me know that too. Thank you guys. I'm out.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's of course your boy.